Handlebar selection is one of the most impactful upgrades a Harley touring rider can make. The right ape hangers affect riding posture, control, vibration management, and exhaust note perception, while also influencing aesthetics and aerodynamics. In this review, I evaluate 5 1 1/4 inch and 1.5 inch diameter ape hanger options that target Road King and related Softail, Dyna/Sportster chassis across model years. Product number 1. 1 1/4 inch black ape hanger handlebar compatible for Harley 883, 1200, Sportster XL, Softail FLST, FXST, Dyna. This 12-inch rise, 1 1/4 inch diameter ape hanger is tailored for Harley Davidson models including Softail, FLST, FXST, Sportster XL 883/1200, Road King 1994 to 2023, and Road Glide 1998 to 2013. Constructed from durable alloy steel with a black finish, it emphasizes a clean, logo-free silhouette and a stout, no-frills aesthetic. The spec emphasizes a 12-inch rise, 32 by 13-inch footprint, and a 5.97-pound weight, with a 1/4 inch to 1 inch taper in the center and tips designed to accommodate standard controls. The product notes warn about fitment exclusions for Electric Glide, Street Glide, 2014 Up Road Glide, and some crossbones configurations, which is critical for buyers who own touring variants outside the specified range. Performance-wise, the bar's 12-inch rise is substantial, which should encourage a more relaxed elbow-out riding stance and a pronounced hand position, potentially alleviating fatigue on long rides. The choice of alloy steel and stainless connectors indicates a focus on rigidity, with the stainless protection intended to hold up against vibration and road grit. Installation is aided by pre-welded interfaces to docking hardware, and the lock of busy branding can help the bar blend with OEM aesthetics while delivering a solid, no-nonsense upgrade for the right model pairing. Product number 2. W says 10-inch Rise Ape Hangers Handlebar 1 1/4 inch diameter bar compatible with Harley Sportster XL 1200, 883, Touring, Road Glide, Road King, Softail, and Dyna models. A 10-inch rise, 33-inch wide chrome ape hanger with 1 1/4 inch diameter and 1 inch grip area, compatible with Sportster 1984 to 2022, Road King 1994 to 2022, Road Glide 1998 to 2013, Softail 1984 to 2024, and Dyna 1993 to 2017. It features a copper nickel chrome finish over an alloy steel core, pre-drilled wiring holes, and a knurling inside width of 2.5 inches with overall width around 33 inches. The model explicitly excludes Electric Glide, Street Glide, Road Glide 2014 to Up, and certain crossbones configurations, which aligns with typical riser/connector compatibility concerns. In use, the 10-inch rise strikes a balance between aggressive ape aesthetics and comfort, offering more upright posture than stock while not pushing the rider excessively forward. The 8-inch pullback and 33-inch overall width create a broad but manageable stance, and the pre-drilled wiring holes reduce the complexity of installing aftermarket cables and electronics. The copper nickel chrome finish provides robust corrosion resistance, useful for riders in varied climates, while the 1 1/4 inch clamp diameter ensures compatibility with common triple tree setups. Number 3. Ape Hangers for Motorcycle Handlebars. Omoto's 10-inch rise, 1 1/4 inch diameter chrome ape hanger targets a versatile range of Harley models, including Dyna, Softail, Sportster XL 883 or 1200, and Road King or Glide variants 1998 to 2013. Weighing about 5.49 pounds, the bar emphasizes a 34.2-inch overall width and a 6 to 7 inch pullback, with a pre-drilled setup to ease installation. It's positioned as a practical mid-sized ape hanger, offering ergonomic grip benefits while remaining approachable for riders upgrading from stock handlebars. The specification highlights carbon steel construction and chrome plating, with a model compatibility note that excludes 2014 Up Road Glide and Electroglide family variants. Product number 4. WAYSS 12-inch rise, 1.5-inch fat bar, chrome compatible with Harley Sportster XL 883 1200 Dyna Softail. This 12-inch rise, 1.5-inch fat bar option targets riders seeking a more dramatic ape hanger with a wider feel and robust leverage. Compatible with Sportster XL 883/1200 1984-2022, Road King 1994-2022, Road Glide 1998-2013, Softail 1984-2024, and Dyna 1993-2017. It features a triple chrome finish, an 11.5-inch center width, 5.4-inch clamp area width, and a 35.5-inch overall width. It's designed for strong aesthetics and confident control, with an installation note that includes wiring hole provisions and a no drilling requirement in most setups. It excludes 2014 and Up Road Glide and certain crossbones configurations, mirroring the fit constraints common to large rise bars. Product number 5. WLZW Chrome 10-inch rise 1 1/4-inch fat ape hangers handlebar for Harley Softail FLST FXST Custom Sportster XL Touring Road King. WLZW's Chrome 10-inch rise fat ape hangers offer an economical upgrade with a 1 1/4-inch bar diameter, 34-inch width, and a 10-inch rise. Built from iron with powder coating, it maintains an accessible price point while delivering the ape hanger silhouette. The center section and tips taper to 1 inch for compatibility with standard controls, and the bar includes reserved threading holes for visual balance post-installation. It explicitly notes non-fitment for some 2015 to 2016 Road Glide variants, making model year confirmation essential for buyers. The weight is around 6.49 pounds, and the overall construction prioritizes value with a simple chrome aesthetic.